Hey guys, welcome back. So we are creating our rows for our potatoes. And yeah, there is an airplane, huh? To go bye-bye? Bye. So we're just trying to create really straight rows. We have, put right here, bud, look right here. So we have we have two posts, one on this end, one on that end with a tight string in between it. And then we have this little contraption that we were given, an easy bike tire with like a half plow on it so that it puts the dirt to one side. So I'm just putting the plow under the string. It's pretty simple. We just push it along, keeping it with the string. And then I kind of go over it twice. I go one to make the initial line, and then a second time to get it the depth that I want. So now we're just gonna move our posts, stakes over a little bit, and then we'll go on with our second row.
Hi.
Alright, so we have the 6 rows all dug. I did go in and just pull out a little bit more dirt on each side, just so we have plenty to make sure the potatoes get covered. And I am going to be sprinkling in some of this fertilizer from My Gardener, just a little bit in each row, just to give an extra boost. And then we'll be dropping the potatoes in, and these are our potatoes that we grew last year. You can see they are ready to go. We have a purple righty, a Yukon Gold, and then a few red as well. My favorite is actually the purple. The flesh is also purple, and because these are smaller, we're just gonna put one in each hole. And then I do have some russet potatoes that I did cut up, make sure that each one had an eye, and those are just sitting in the sun so that they could form a little bit of skin. It's called chitting. And so I'm just letting them get a skin form on the cut part so that they don't end up rotting when we put them in. So just going to sprinkle in the fertilizer, and then we'll put the potatoes in. Got them planted. Now, just these 2 rows left, and it's very simple. We're just literally dropping them in. Don't have to bend over, just plop them in. Okay, so now all I need to do is go grab those russet potatoes and we can get that last row planted. As far as it'll take me, I only cut up, I think it was 6. So we'll see how far that gets us. Okay, so those are the russet potatoes. It might be kind of hard to see the white, potatoes. They'll turn right when cut. That's just the skin forming up. We will get them planted, cut side down. All right, got the russets all put in. Those 6 potatoes did the whole length perfectly. So now we will be covering them with the dirt and then give them a watering in and basically leave them alone. Not much to growing potatoes. They're all in. So now we're just going to be covering them with the dirt and give them a watering in, and then and then that's pretty much it. Keep them watered, keep it weeded, and I love growing potatoes because, one, I love potatoes, but I love because you don't know what's growing underneath until it's come time to harvest, just like carrots. You don't know how long or short, stubby, big. I love growing root crops because you don't know what size you're getting until you actually harvest it. But, so last year we only did the 4 rows and we could have used more. And then, so I was like, I have the space. We'll grow a 3rd row or 2 more rows. So, thank you for watching and we'll catch you next time.